much anticipated all-new Suzuki Jimny Sierra is a small SUV that claims to change the way off-road performance and rugged style are done. The official release date is set for November 2023, and people are already getting really excited about this car. So far, this is what we know. Exterior. Keeps the boxy shape. The Sierra keeps the Jimny's boxy shape, which has been a trademark since the beginning. This style pays tribute to the car's history and makes it better off-road. With new bonnet, headlights, taillights, and bumpers, the Jimny Sierra has a more modern look while still keeping its classic look. With these changes, the car looks more up-to-date. The all-new Jimny Sierra is bigger than the one that came before it. It makes more room for storage and more comfortable seats, especially in the back. 5 doors. This is one of the most interesting events, Jimny Sierra. Families and frequent flyers will find this version more useful and easy to use. Performance. Powertrain hybrid. The all-new Jimny Sierra is likely to have a powertrain hybrid, which will make it use less gas and put out less pollution. This is a big improvement over the fuel engine in the last model. Off-road skills. The Jimny Sierra has always been known for its great off-road skills, and the all-new model is no different. It is very tough on any surface thanks to its high ground clearance, short overhangs, and 4-wheel drive system with low-range gears. Performance on the road. The Jimny Sierra is great off-road, but it's also comfy and fun to drive on the road. It's a good daily car because the upgraded suspension and steering system make it easy to control and stable. When available. The brand new Suzuki Jimny Sierra should be on sale all over the world beginning in early 2024. Prices and exact launch times have not been made public yet. The all-new Suzuki Jimny Sierra looks like a fun addition to the market for small SUVs as a whole. The classic look is paired with current technology and performance, making it a great choice for people who like to go on adventures and need a car that can handle anything.